Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. Today we will be discussing 5 problems under the topic Advanced Math, and under the Advanced Math we will be specially talking about the quadratic equations. So let's get started. Let's see number 1. So we are given this quadratic equation. You can see here one solution to the given equation can be written as 1 plus root under k, where k is constant. What is the value of k? Okay, so this is basically one root or one solution. So that means we have to find the solution of this equation and equal to, we have to equal one of its solution to this part. Okay, and then we can find the value of k. So let me write the equation. We have given x square minus 2x minus 9 equals to 0. As we can see, we cannot directly factorize this form. So another way to solve this problem is by completing the square, but we are not going to do that. But I think we are going to use quadratic formula, okay, which is always a safe point to use. So our quadratic formula is basically x equals what? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided over twice a, right? So if you compare here this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, you can see a will be 1, okay, b will be minus 2 and c will be minus 9. Now let's plug it. So what is our b? Already there is minus, so b is minus 2 plus minus root over what is b square is minus 2 square minus 4, what is our a is 1, what is our c is minus 9, right? So divided over twice, what is our a is 1. Okay, let's simplify it further. So this is plus 2, right? Minus minus is plus, plus minus root over 2 square is 4, this minus and this minus becomes plus, so minus minus plus, so 9 times 4 is 36 and divided over 2. So this is equals to 2 plus minus root over, this is 40 over 2. Okay, so root over 40 is basically, you can write 2 root 10. Okay, you can factorize and find out the value of square root of 40. That will come out 2 root 10. Okay, so divided by 2. Now you can take 2 common from upper, okay, numerator, so that is 1 plus minus root 10 will remain, divided over 2. This 2 will cancel out and that answer will be 1 plus minus root 10. That means therefore, okay, the two roots are, one is 1 plus root 10 and another is 1 minus root 10. So you can see here our one of the solution is 1 plus root k. That means what? That is basically 1 plus root 10. So we can equate those two. So we can write 1 plus root k is equals to 1 plus root 10. So 1 will cancel out and root k will equals root 10. If you square on the both sides, you will get the value of k as 10. So your answer is 10. Okay, so check the option B is correct. Okay, let's move to next problem. Okay, number 2. So we have given in the xy plane a line with equation 2y equals 4.5 intersects a parabola at exactly 1 point, means only one solution. If the parabola has the equation y equals minus 4x square plus bx and b is a positive constant, what is the value of b? Okay, b is positive. Okay, remember that. So let me write our quadratic equation, that is y equals minus 4x square plus bx, and the question is saying that the line that is 2y equals to 4.5 intersects parabola at exactly 1 point, that is only one solution. So y is equals to 4.5 over 2, right? And we can write this as 2.25. Since this point or this line intersect the parabola, the equation of this line will satisfy the equation of parabola also. So let's rearrange this. Okay, so let's take this to another side. So it becomes 4x square minus bx plus y equals to 0. Now plug the value of y. So this is basically 4x square minus bx plus 2.25 equals to 0. Okay, so here is the hint. Okay, it's exactly 1 point, so means what? having the solution at exactly one point means its discriminant must be equals to 0, right? So b square minus 4ac must be equals to 0. Okay, under that condition this line will intersect that parabola at exactly one point. Since we have already plugged the y, so this condition will represent that. Okay, exactly intersecting at one point condition. So simply plug the value. So b square minus, so our a is 4, b is same. Okay, b, and there is, okay, minus b, and minus b square is also positive, so there is no problem in that. And you can see 4, what is our a is basically 4 from here, and our c is 2.25 equals to 0. So if you solve this, you will get 36. Okay, if you multiply 4 into 4 times 2.25 will be 36, will be equals to 0. So b square will be equals to 36, and b is basically plus minus 6. Okay, so this must be our answer, but since b is positive constant, b should be plus 6, so our answer is plus 6. Okay, that is 6 is our answer. Okay, let's move to number 3. Let's see. Okay, so we are given 5x square plus 57b plus a times x plus ab equals 0. Sorry. In the given equation, a and b are positive constants. The product of the solution to the given equation is KAV, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? So basically this is the quadratic equation, right? This is ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have given the product of its roots or solution, that is KAV. We know that product of quadratic equation, right? So product of roots or solution is basically what is given to be by the question is k times ab, but by formula what is the product of root is c by a, right? Equals to given is KAV. So what is C? Compare, C is AV. So AV over what is our A is 57 is equals to KAV. Since AB is constant, you can directly cancel out. When it's divide out, it will cancel out, right? So basically K is 1 over 57 is your answer. So our answer is A. Simply like that, okay? So let's move to next number. Next is number 4. Okay. So minus x square plus bx minus 676 equals to 0. In the given equation, b is a positive integer. Okay, b is a positive integer means its value starts from like 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. Okay, the equation has no real solution. You have to keep in mind, no real solution. What is the greatest possible value of b? Okay, so when parabola will not have the real solution, when its discriminant is negative, right? That is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. So what is our b? B is b, no problem. What is our 4 is constant, no problem. A is basically minus 1. So a is minus 1. What is our c? C is minus 676. That will be less than 0. Now you can see there are 3 minus, right? So minus time minus is plus, plus time minus is minus, so there will be minus. Okay, and if you multiply it, you will get around 2704, which will be less than 0, and b square will be less than it. If this go to that side, that becomes positive, that is 2704, and if you take square root on both sides, this will be b will be less than 52. Okay, take a square root on both sides, so b will be less than 52. And so what is the greatest possible value of b? So b is less than 52 means that is 51, right? 50 and 49, and it goes on up to 1. So what is the greatest possible value is basically 51. So the value of b is 51. So our answer is 51. Okay, so let's move to next one, number 5. Okay, you can see here quadratic equation again, basically ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In the given equation, c is a constant. The equation has exactly one solution. Now you know the condition for exactly one solution. What is the value of c? So for the quadratic equation to have exactly one solution, that is b square minus 4ac must be equals to 0. Now just plug and get the answer. So b is basically minus 8 there, right? So minus 8 square and minus 4, what is our a is minus 16, and c is c, okay, 0. Now let's see 8 8 okay, square of 8 is what? 64. So minus minus will be plus. So what is 16 into 4 is also 64 times c equals to 0. So 64c will be equals to this, go to that side, becomes negative 64. And if you divide 64 minus 64 by 64, the answer will come out -1. So our answer is -1. Okay, so this much for today, guys. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you, bye bye, till the next video. Okay.